This Swoop Search quick tutorial is brought to you by Muntz Library at UT Tyler. To access Swoop Search, visit uttyler.edu/library. On the main page, you will notice a Swoop Search box that you can access, or if you scroll down just a little bit, you will see a Swoop Search section where you can select Advanced Search. Once we arrive, you will see Search Scope is automatically set to Swoop Search. You can drop this down. If you would like to only search library catalog, reserves, or scholar works, you can make that adjustment here. We're going to leave it on Swoop Search, which will search the bulk of the library's resources. We can apply different search fields and Boolean operators here, and we can type in our search terms. So we're going to search homeostasis and click search. So you'll notice that we received over 400,000 results, so we want to use this area on the left to tweak our results. So you will notice things that you can sort by. I'm not going to limit myself to only full text or open access. I want to see everything that's available. I'm going to scroll down and look at resource type. You may have specifications for what types of materials that you need to use. So you could select articles. Perhaps conference proceedings are acceptable for your use. So you can click search more and look at all of the availability that you have here for resource types. You can narrow by subjects. Homeostasis is a large subject. So maybe I only want to look at biochemistry. That will help narrow that down. You also have author-creator options. Date is another way to narrow your search considerably. Oftentimes in the sciences, we want to look within the last five or so years. We can also look at other things like specific collections, languages, journal titles, and availability. When we're all done with our filters, we can click Apply Filters. You will notice at the top part, you will see active filters. So now you know what has been applied. We're down to 4,000 results, which is fantastic. So, and you can see, let's take a look at our first result. We know that it's an article, zinc homeostasis. So we can go ahead and click on this if we're interested. Notice a little bit more before we click. This is peer reviewed. It also happens to be open access, and it looks like we're going to have the ability to download the PDF. But I want to take you inside the record to point out that you have some other options. If you are using a citation manager, which hopefully you are, you have the option, like if you're using SciWheel, you can automatically add this. It is now added to your SciWheel library. You can export. You have the permalink option as well. You can click here to download the PDF. And after just a moment or so, then you will get your full text PDF article. Okay, if you scroll down, you will also see additional information. Subjects right here, it's a great place to look for additional search terms to narrow your overall search. And oftentimes, not in this particular article, but oftentimes you will see related articles over here to the right, which are linked and will lead you to other records that are relevant in your search. Use the X to go back to your search results and continue to browse through your results. That was just a quick overview today of Swoop Search. If you have additional questions, please reach out to your subject librarian or the library help desk. Thanks for watching.